No. No L. Okay, Jesse. You can stop anytime. 600.
In.
Yes, there are 3 N's. $1,800.
Like to buy an egg.
2 A's. But not much time. I'm going to give the wheel a final spin. Ask you to give me a letter. Puzzle at 3 seconds to solve it. Vowels worth nothing. Consonants, we have 1,000. Be worth $1,450 a piece again. Phrase is the category. Jesse, it's still your turn. Let's have a letter.
K.
2 of them. Let them come up, and then Van will move out, and maybe you can solve it.
Thanks, but no thanks.
Yes, you can solve it. Well, that's a little more respectable total. Yeah, $4,450 that round ends up with $6,450. Thank you. Appreciate it. Well, I wish there were a bigger total there. I hope you had a good time.